Here's some heat pumps running in cool mode. Maybe or some are air conditioners, I'm not really sure. But yeah, I filmed these before. I'm gonna film these again. Here's your Gemini, split in two, 2012, 10 ton. Huge. Here's a 7.5 ton RPWL Rude Achiever from 2011. Not running. Compressor's inside here. All the way down here. See if I can find a reversing. I think that's a Copeland scroll. And somewhere inside there, I don't know if you guys can see or not, there's the scroll compressor. The reversing valve somewhere over there. Copeland, I think. Copeland scroll. Another Gemini. 2016. I think another, this might be a 9 ton, I don't know how to code this. It's running. So yeah, 2 carrier Geminis running in cool mode, so yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.